Okay, Southern Vessel L, you can see here with Dip and Debbie on board is June 2021, and that's our Jetta parked over here in the shade tree, like a smart thing to do. Here's the corner of where the machine shop is. It's not off the main road, of course, and the bus they're working on, all this equipment they'd be working on. So there's Debbie, of course. Well, I cleaned it up a little bit. New paint job, place looks pretty good. Coming in to pick up our wheel on some other welding we did. There's a section of the machine shop over here. There's El Ricky back there. Rico. Oh, you can see him.